व्यावसायिक आणि घरगुती LPG सिलिंडराचो दर वाडिल्ल्यान सामान्य मनशा वांगडा व्यावसायिकांक लेगीत फटको बसतलो। व्यावसायिकांक LPG गॅस सिलिंडराची पुरवण व्यवस्थित जायनाशिल्ल्यान पर्यटन आणि हॉटेल उद्देगाचेर व्हड परिणाम जावंक शकता असो दावो विरोधी पक्षाचो फुडारी युरी आलेमावान केला। 0 आवरा भितर हो प्रश्न मांडून सरकारान बेगोबेग भागधारकाची बसका आपोवची अशी मागणी केली। उपरांत या प्रकरणाविषयी संबंधितांकडे उलोवप केला अशें मुख्यमंत्री प्रमोद सावंत हांणी सांगले।
To supply LPG solely for domestic consumers. The reasons behind the order and the directions are understandable, as the households would need uninterrupted supplies of domestic LPG. However, such an order and direction would completely paralyze the hotels, restaurants, small eateries, canteens and caterers, as all these establishments depend on LPG as a primary fuel. In Goa, such steps will crush the hospitality industry and also the tourism industry, affecting employment, livelihoods of thousands of persons and families. The effect of restricting LPG exclusively to the domestic consumers will have an effect on the entire economy of Goa. It is therefore submitted that the government of Goa opens a dialogue with the Ministry of Petroleum on top urgent basis to work out a solution wherein priority in supply of LPG is provided to domestic consumers and regulated LPG supply for the purpose of cooking is kept open for the hotels, restaurants, small eateries, caterers and canteens. The government may call for an immediate meeting of the concerned stakeholders. Shortage of and sharp price in cooking gas cylinders will definitely hit every BPL family on subsidized cylinders. It will hit the small bakeries, households and cooking in the state. Has the government written to the Union Ministry of Petroleum seeking priority allocation of LPG stocks to Goa?
Yes, sir. Already we are in discussion with the concerned ministry and concerned authority.